Perfect size. This small fishing artificial bait crawdad mimics the size of a very small crawfish. It catches fish when other larger versions of crawdads will not. Unique action. The shad dart head allows for a slow fall and unique action. This lure is used for many other fish than trout. It is very deadly in the late spring in small streams. Catches everything. This bait is perfect for small streams and lakes. It catches everything from bluegill to largemouth bass on this little lure. The perfect fishing accessories for your fishing tackle box. Top colors. This kit contains our best trout slayer colors in a small box that will fit in your pocket or vest with our crawdad bodies, and long shank hooks. Your fishing equipment will be the envy of your friends. Made in USA. With high-grade plastic and bright colors that will not tear like other plastics on the market. The Trout Fishing Kit is a great idea to include as fishing gifts for relatives and friends. Top reviews from the United States. They really work. Okay. I have seen numerous videos saying how well they work, but I never believed the videos. I mean, the little lures look like nothing you would see in the water. I brought a set and have caught crappie, trout, bream, yellow and white perch and bass on a regular basis. I am now an official believer of this product.